Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to make your Trello boards more lively and engaging by adding GIFs. Whether you're managing projects, organizing tasks, or collaborating with a team, GIFs can make your boards more dynamic and fun. First, open Trello in your browser and log in. You can use your email or quickly log in with Google for a seamless experience. Once you're in, you'll land on the Trello homepage where all your boards are organized under your workspaces. This is a neat way to keep projects, teams, and tasks categorized. Next, select the board where you want to add your GIF. Now comes the fun part. Locate your GIF either on your computer or from an online source, and simply drag and drop it onto the card you want to enhance. It's quick, intuitive, and instantly adds some visual flair to your board. After adding the GIF, click on the card to open its details. You'll see the GIF in the Attachments section. Neatly organized and easy to access whenever you need it. This helps keep your cards visually appealing without cluttering your workflow. So go ahead, try it out, and see how GIFs can brighten your Trello boards and make managing tasks more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials.